It's our culture to remember the God Almighty before everything we do or start. So let us begin this function seeking the blessings and presence of Ganesha Almighty. I would like to invite Shravani and Samana to lead the prayer.
भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् यजे पालचन्द्रं पदवाक्यप्रमेयं यजे पालचन्द्रं पदवाक्यप्रमेयं भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् विनायकम् अथर्वशीर्षादि प्रतिपादितम् अथर्वशीर्षादि प्रतिपादितं सङ्कटनाशनं गणपतिं सदा सङ्कटनाशनं गणपतिं सदा भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् यजे पालचन्द्रं पदवाक्यप्रमेयं भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् वक्रतुण्डमहाकायम् एकदन्तं गजाननं वक्रतुण्डमहाकायम् एकदन्तं गजाननं विकटकृष्णपिङ्गलाक्षम् विकटकृष्णपिङ्गलाक्षं धूम्रवर्णं लम्बोदरं धूम्रवर्णं लम्बोदरं भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् यजे पालचन्द्रं पदवाक्यप्रमेयं भजे विघ्नराजं विनायकम् विनायकम्
Thank you, Samana and Shravani, for creating a heavenly atmosphere here. I would like to invite Mr. Hemant, President of Student Council, SAMCH, to welcome all the dignitaries and everyone gathered here.
A very good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to the Curtain Raiser program of Shushruta Kala Saurabha Festivista 2021. Our Shushruta College is the most representative of our country, India, as we have students ranging from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Assam to Gujarat. We believe in unity in diversity. My fellow students have put in lot of efforts and hard work in arranging this event. Thank you. As a representative of Student Council, I would like to welcome our dignitaries on the dais. First of all, I would like to welcome today's chief guest, Dr. Manjunath Sharma, Director, Anveshana SVyasa. We welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome our beloved Director, Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna, sir, Vice Chancellor, SVyasa University, Director, SAMCH, who is the backbone of our institute and ever-inspiring personality. We welcome you, sir. I welcome our respected principal, Madam Dr. Sangamitra Patnaik, a charming person with a gentle heart. We welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome the most dynamic personality, Dr. Vasudev Vaidya, Deputy Medical Superintendent, SAMCH, a most student-friendly personality. We welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Vanishri Madam, Professor, Department Shalakya Tantra, the cultural aid for this event. We welcome you, ma'am. I extend a warm welcome to all the teaching staff, friends who have enriched this gathering. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome all the non-teaching staff on and all present here. I hope you all have amazing time today. Enjoy. And wishing you all the best. Dear participants, thank you one and all.
Thank you, Mr. Hemant.
For inaugurating the function by lighting of the lamp, I would like to invite all our dignitaries.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया हृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया हृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Thank you. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. Manjunath Sharma, Director, Anveshana, S. Vyasa, to address the gathering.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I came here to watch and enjoy some wonderful programs. I generally keep talking in all other programs, and today I expected that I don't need to talk, but it's a formality. So this is one thing what I have enjoyed in my life the most, okay? Particularly spending that energy through cultural activities, be it music, be it dance, be it any other form of art that actually brings the best in you. And we tell everybody here in this campus, do some yoga. Yoga is very good for you. Okay? So even probably to do yoga, you need to put some effort. But listening to music, you don't need to put an effort. If you like doing some dance, you don't need to put any effort. And at the same time, to enjoy somebody doing it for you, you don't need any effort. So that's the gift for us. And thoroughly, we can certainly make ourselves feel very good about that presence. We always say that our mood changes very frequently, okay? So I'm very happy. The next minute, my friend comes and says something, so I get disturbed. But more than any such influence, the art, culture can bring in a bigger influence on us. You listen to something, I mean, we saw such a wonderful performance just now. One going to the next, okay, your students performed first Bharatanatyam, then from there somebody came and performed a Western style, then a third one performing Rajasthani, while the fourth one performing Northeast. Each time it takes you to different world, okay? For this, you don't need to be a dancer. For this, you don't need to be a musician. But there is an inherent artist in you, each one of us, which will come out when you are witnessing something like this. And amazing performance, many congratulations to each one of you. And I know there are so many other people who are very talented. And we are waiting to see the programs of each one of you, because this is the occasion where you can positively spend your energy. Okay? So, many times it so happens that when you are free, like now everything, our life goes on with mobile phones. Now also I don't know how many of you are watching your mobile phones. Okay? So you will be doing it. What happens is, come out of that, you don't need to satisfy your sensory organs only by seeing something and listening to something. There are so many ways you can satisfy, and the art and culture is one wonderful media for that. I just remember whenever I see any programs like this, I remember my childhood, because I come from a musician's family. I have 3 sisters, all of them are musicians. One is a Bharatanatyam dancer, another is once again a dancer come Veena player, and the third one is Carnatic singer. And you will be surprised maybe that I am a Mridanga player. So all of us, our family, like we used to give performances, like during Tyagaraja Aradhana and Ram Navami and many other during occasions. So one used to dance, one used to sing, and I used to play instrument, and it used to be a wonderful opportunity to involve and engross ourselves in the beauty of music. And I am sure each one of you should nurture it. Okay? I am appealing not just during your studentship, we can enjoy this throughout our life. So please nurture this, and I am very happy to also see my family extension over here. 2 of my nieces are studying with you guys, Archita and Arpita. So always we feel that, okay, it's not ending with our generation. The next generation is also taking it forward. So I wish you a great time. Forget about competitions. Okay? So winning prizes, getting awards, rewards, etc. come and go. But what is very important is enjoying. Number 2, supporting. Number 3, being in that present. Okay? So enjoy the day. Once again, you have to wait for quite a long time to get these next couple of days what you have been enjoying with sports and culture. So participate completely and support your friends, those who are behind the screens and those who are going to perform. So winners naturally get supported. Please do support those who perform and stand next to the winner. That's what is very important. I wish you all the best, and looking forward to watching you guys at your best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your lovable and encouraging words.
Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Sangamitra Patnaik, to address the gathering.
honorable dignitaries on the desk, our chief guest, Manjunath Sharma sir, our honorable director, and our Vasudev Vaidya sir, deputy medical superintendent, and the Vanishri madam, most popular for the cultural head. Next, सबको नमस्कार first. What a great initiation, what a great starting, festive vista, curtain rising project events. Really, it is unbelievable. I want to congratulate all the committees, program committee, cultural committees, each and every committees, and all the students of this Susutha Ayurveda Medical College, as well as students committee, and everything it happens due to the blessings of our honorable director sir. So I want to congratulate all of you to start this program in such a wonderful way. So it's excellent. I am too much happy. I cannot express all those things in the words. Such a nice starting, that diya, that dances, whatever you perform, it is out of our coverage area, what I can say. It is, I cannot imagine such type of initiation. Anyway, thank you, madam. Thank you, all the committee members who organize these functions in such a wonderful way. Then I want to just tell about the Sanskriti Kala and Sanskruti, which is essential, definitely, to rejuvenate, because always, I know our students are excellent in the studies, because they perform very nice result in this year, and also similarly they are excellent in the sports and cultural. You can assess from their performance in the stage today. So I wish you all the best. Definitely you can rejuvenate yourself for another 1 year to face the most difficult part, that is the examination, by rejuvenating these functions and on all these arrangements. So please rejuvenate yourselves by attending all those things and enjoy. All the best to all of you, all the participants, as well as all the observers who they should encourage their friends. Either it may be success or it may be failure. Everything, take it in the equal manner. It is just take it in the sportive way and encourage your friends, enjoy it, rejuvenate yourself. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your lovable and kind words. Here comes the most awaited moment, the presidential address by our dynamic star, Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna sir, Director SAMCH, Vice Chancellor, SVASA, to address us.
Most respected guest of the day, my colleague, Dr. Manjunath Sharma, who is an inherited researcher and a pro-vice chancellor of our SVASA University, and my co-trustee in our institution. Sanghamitra Patnaik, the most able, humble, what more I should add? Motherly Principal Dr. Sanghamitra. Age is not a factor. Vaidya sir goes down, 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 always. And our Manjunath Sharma's wife, Dr. Vasudha here, Vasudha ji, you know how dynamic was our Vaidya was in your college days? Anyway, the tempo is multiplied. So, dear Vaidya, and Vanishri, today I should congratulate for a wonderful browsing reception she gave for all of us. And I should congratulate her for one more. Her daughter has won a wonderful, what is that, madam? Yeah. I mean, she only will tell later. So she hails from such a background. And my faculty members, wonderful, very talented, enthusiastic, encouraging, supportive, and my dear students. In a function like this, Who are all important? Winner, loser, participants, guest. Who are important? Winner? No. Loser? If there are no losers, where will be the winners? So losers are most important. Even if you do not win, your participation itself is a win. Point number 1. And people like me, after this I will be sitting there not participating. But without a viewer like me and you, where is the question of loser and the winner? No. You are all most important. And the supporting our talented faculty members, if they are not putting proper direction, nobody gets a rousing reception what we had like this. Therefore, all these are like the 4 pillars of a table. This program or any cultural or such programs can become successful only by active participation of all the members, and people who are watching now try to become loser next time. And the losers, you should try to become winner, but don't be forever spectators. Because without cultural and sports attitude, you will be forced to get yourself stressed. Dr. Manjunath Sharma, a researcher, has already made it very clear, no effort is required. In yoga or whatever the other methods of relaxation we try to teach here in our university, it needs punctuality. And our Patanjali Yoga Sutra, it says that Nairantaryam, every day you have to do it. It is not like that. Whenever you find time, try to make yourself, rather than just watching the mobile, you try to have what is known as Sahitya, Nritya, Sangeeta, Rasanubhava. At least keep on watching, listening, seeing, murmuring. That makes you very active, enthusiastic, and you never become early aged. Today what is happening? Premature aging. What are the symptoms? Premature hair gray, hair fall, and shrinking. So many things, you know it. Lack of enthusiasm, lack of brilliance, complexion. If you want to be healthy, if you want to be active, if you want to be positive, active and dynamic, involve yourself in cultural programs. It is the best way of relaxation, and that will enrich your knowledge and you become an asset. We should never become a liability in the society. We should be always assertive and with what is known as wisdom-oriented assets. So, I am sure all of you have enjoyed yesterday wonderful food fest, if I am correct. And today and tomorrow we have cultural, and few more are being organized by our principal. And I wish all of you a very happy time, spend time, but have little discipline, because we can encourage an artist by clapping also. You need not visual it. See, that this visualing is something, it is a different type of expression. So we should enjoy and we should encourage. Further, the best method is the clapping, and you can communicate your appreciation through that. And it also helps you because there are many vital spots on your palm. When you do these, not only you are encouraging and you are appreciating an artist, at the same time you are getting lot of benefits, and the moment you do like this, you become alert. So therefore, let us keep the modesty of the Sabha and enjoy. Wish you all good luck. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your energetic and mesmerizing words.
Now it's time to give away the prizes for the online cultural events. I request all the dignitaries to distribute the prizes.
Solo Dance Classical, third prize, Archita from 4th year. Second prize, Rahana from 4th year. Second prize, Rahana from 4th year. First prize, Lipita from 1st year.
Solo dance, non-classical. Third prize is got by Mimangshi of 3rd year. Mimangsha of 3rd year. Second prize, Chaitanya of 4th year. And first prize, Madhvi of 4th year.
Solo singing, third prize, Shravani L from 3rd year. Second prize, Samana from 3rd year. First prize, Swayampurna from 4th year.
Solo singing, non-classical. Third prize is grabbed by Tanmay of 1st year and Lenin of 2nd year. Second prize, Archita of 4th year. And first prize is grabbed by Swayampurna of 4th year.
Next event is instrumental. Second prize goes to Archita from 4th year. Ruhul Amin from 1st year. First prize.
Next event is hairstyling. The fourth prize is got by Kavita of 4th year. Second prize again from 4th year, Chandana. Kavita of 4th year, hairstyling, third prize.
Announcement.
Everyone give a big applause to all the all the winners.
Chandana.
Chandana of 4th year grabs the second prize. First prize is grabbed by the first year, Supriya.
Next event is makeup, and third prize goes to Parisara from 3rd year. Second prize goes to Nimisha from 4th year. First prize goes to Sayada from 3rd year.
Next event is nail art. The third prize is got by Anjali KM of 3rd year. Second prize, Aparna from 3rd year. The first prize is grabbed by Zuhaifa from 2nd year.
Next is next event is product advertisement, and third prize goes to Nikita from 3rd year. Second prize Shravani from 3rd year. And first prize goes to Gautam Kamble from 1st year. Gautami Kamble from 1st year.
Next event is Yogasana. The third prize is grabbed by Gnaneshwari of 3rd year. Second prize Swayampurna of 4th year. And first prize Archita J from 4th year.
Next event is Mad Ads, and third prize goes to Mad Ads. Third prize goes to Anjali KM from 3rd year. Second prize Shravani from 3rd year. And Mad Ads first prize goes to Shivleela from 3rd year.
Next event, Rangoli. The third prize is grabbed by two people, that is Lipta from 1st year and Bindushri from 4th year. The second place goes to Samana from 3rd year. First place goes to Divya from 3rd year.
And the next event is vegetable carving. Third prize goes to Navya from 1st year. Second prize goes to Jivita P from 3rd year. First prize goes to Jayanti from 4th year.
Stone art, Jayanti from first year grabs the first prize.
4th year.
Fourth year.
Next year. Next event is face painting, and third prize goes to Suraj Kansari from 4th year. Second prize goes to Samana from 3rd year. And face painting first prize goes to Sayali from 1st year.
I request some of the first year people to come and collect their prizes. Next event is paper origami. The third prize goes to Divya from 3rd year. Second prize goes to Mitali from 1st year.
ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್
And first prize is grabbed by Renuka Prasad from 1st year.
Next event is Mehendi, and third prize goes to Naima from 4th year. Second prize goes to Namita from 2nd year and Supriya from 1st year.
I request first year people come and collect the prizes of your classmates.
And Mehendi first prize goes to Misbah from 4th year.
Mehendi.
Mehendi event.
Next event is clay modeling. The first prize goes to Zuhaifa of 2nd year. Thank you all the dignitaries for giving away the prizes. A special mention for decorating the stage today goes to all the first year students. So give them a big applause.
I would like to call Baba Shajid, cultural representative of SAMCH, to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to me and all. I, Baba Sajid, 3rd year, Cultural Secretary and Student Counseling 2021, take the privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event possible amidst COVID scenario. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Manjunath Sharma, sir, Director of Anveshana SVSA, who has taken time for his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, sir. My special thanks to our respected Director, sir, Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna, sir, for his continuous support and encouragement, for being the catalyst to stimulate us and to do this cultural event at our best. You are our pillar of the strength. Thank you, sir. I am immensely thankful to Dr. Sangamitra Patnaik, Principal of SAMCH, for enormous cooperation and dedication within organization of this event, Festivista 2021. Thank you, ma'am. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It required planning and foresight for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by Dr. Vasudev Vaidya sir, DMS, who is proactive and enthusiastic. I extend my thank you, sir. I could also like to thank Dr. Vanishri ma'am and Dr. Subharani ma'am, culture head, and their team for their untiring efforts in planning out the culture events and making it materialize. Thank you, ma'am. I could also like to thank Mr. Heyman, President of Student Counseling 2021, for guiding us and supporting us. I could also thank the teaching and not teaching staff for their continuous support. I also thank Mr. Ravi Kumar and Meghasri for anchoring today's event. Last but not least, I could like to thank the budding rock star, the students, who made this curtain-raising event joyful within their impressive performance. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Baba Shajid.
Here comes the end of the formal function. I would like to thank all of you for finding some time to take part in our happiness. Thank you.